Hello YouTube, back at it again. We did some welding yesterday evening. This is how it came out. Me on the side. I'm quite pleased with that. Un momento. Nice shot. And this is the other side, boys. Don't know if you can see it. We welded in there, little piece, and we welded in there, little piece. And this is hanging a little bit loose. I can fix this myself. And this is the bottom. So next Monday, and we did something here also in the front. Rather large piece. Don't know how it shows up on cam. Un momento. And here's the inside. It's a new piece of metal. It looks like you see outside, but it's just a piece of metal. So I have to clean it out a little bit and put everything back together. Yeah, work in progress, boys and girls. Work in progress. So I'm gonna clean out the inside, and then we're gonna do the back panels. They need adjusting. Look at this. Not that worse. And I got some cleaning to do there also. Rust. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry for the walk around. Ah. Well guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Oh, what a shot. I'm gonna take a picture right of this shot. I can do it like this. Oh yes. Yes. Okay, thank you very much guys. Yeah, it's time for some coffee, I think. I'm gonna drink me some coffee right over here. And then I have to wait for my accountant. Hope there's some money left. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. This was a little update concerning the welding process. Have a nice day, boys and girls.